Today, we are diving into stocks to buy before November that have the potential to make you rich. These are not random picks pulled out of thin air. These are companies with significant backing, transformative products, and a real chance to dominate their respective markets. If you're serious about making money in the stock market, make sure to watch till the end and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market. First on the list is SoundHound AI, a company that has positioned itself as one of the most innovative players in the voice artificial intelligence sector. SoundHound's independent voice AI platform connects people to brands through customized conversational experiences, enabling products, services, and apps to be voice-enabled while giving companies access to valuable data and analytics. In a world where AI-driven human interaction is quickly becoming mainstream, SoundHound stands out with its mission to voice-enable the world through conversational intelligence. The company's recent financial performance shows both its challenges and explosive potential. SoundHound reported revenue of $42.7 million, marking an impressive 217% increase year-over-year. Its GAAP gross margin came in at 39%, while non-GAAP gross margin was even stronger at 58.4%. Although the company reported a GAAP net loss of $74.7 million, its non-GAAP net loss was significantly lower at $11.9 million, showing progress in managing costs when excluding non-cash factors like contingent acquisition liabilities. Adjusted EBITDA was a loss of $14.3 million, and GAAP earnings per share reflected a loss of 19 cents, with non-GAAP EPS improving to a narrower 3-cent loss. The company's stock currently trades around $14.12, and Wall Street is keeping a close eye on its trajectory. Based on recent analyst reports, the average price target for SoundHound stands at $15.33, with estimates ranging from $12 on the low end to $18 on the high end. This represents an upside potential of around 9% from current levels. Considering SoundHound's rapid revenue growth and its central role in the expansion of voice-enabled AI, its long-term growth potential remains extremely promising, especially as demand for natural, conversational AI continues to rise across industries. Second on the list is AST SpaceMobile, a groundbreaking satellite company that is building the world's first space-based cellular broadband network designed to connect directly to standard, unmodified smartphones. Based in Midland, Texas, AST SpaceMobile is working to close the global connectivity gap by ensuring that people in remote or underserved areas can still have access to reliable cellular service without needing specialized devices. Its SpaceMobile constellation includes the Blue Walker 3 prototype and the Bluebird commercial satellites, which are among the largest commercial communications arrays in low Earth orbit. In Q2 2025, AST reported non-GAAP adjusted operating expenses of $51.7 million, up from $44.9 million in Q1 2025 as the company ramps up deployment and operations. Capital expenditures were substantial, coming in at $323 million in Q2 compared to $124 million in Q1, reflecting the build-out of its network. The company also reported $14.9 million in gateway equipment bookings, which supports future service delivery. For the second half of 2025, AST SpaceMobile expects revenue between $50 million and $75 million, a major milestone as the company transitions from building infrastructure to monetizing it. Importantly, AST holds a strong cash position, with over $1.5 billion in cash equivalents, and restricted cash as of June 30, 2025. The company has also strengthened its balance sheet by converting $360 million out of $460 million in convertible notes into 15.2 million Class A shares, reducing debt obligations and improving financial flexibility. Additionally, AST boosted liquidity through $397 million in net proceeds from ATM facilities and $25 million from a Trinity Capital equipment loan. With its stock trading at $38.72, Wall Street analysts remain bullish, with an average price target of $52.65, a high forecast of $60, and a low forecast of $42.90. This implies a potential upside of over 37% from current levels. For investors looking at transformative technologies, AST SpaceMobile offers an extraordinary opportunity to invest in the future of global communications, one where every smartphone could connect anywhere on Earth, regardless of traditional coverage limitations. Last on our list is NuScale Power, the pioneer in small modular reactor technology that is on a mission to redefine the energy landscape with its scalable, carbon-free nuclear power solutions. What began as a university research project in 2002 has now grown into a publicly traded company with groundbreaking technology that has already made history. NuScale was the first small modular reactor company to receive design approval from the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission in 2020 and went public in 2022 as the first SMR technology provider on the market. Financially, NuScale is showing progress in transitioning from development to commercialization. In its most recent earnings report, the company posted a dramatic revenue increase from just $0.967 million in the prior year to $8.05 million this year, reflecting growing traction in its business model. Additionally, the company reduced its net loss compared to prior periods, a sign of improving operational efficiency. NuScale also bolstered its financial strength by completing a $500 million follow-on equity offering, which will provide the necessary capital to fund ongoing projects and scale operations. This strong financial base has supported a 10% rise in its stock price over the past week, reflecting growing investor confidence. Currently, NuScale trades at $36.34, and Wall Street analysts see room for more growth. With 10 analysts covering the stock, the average price target is $42, with estimates ranging from $31 on the low end to as high as $60. This represents an upside potential of about 15.58% from current levels, with a higher end forecast signaling significant optimism around the company's ability to execute on its vision. Given the increasing global demand for clean, carbon-free energy solutions, NuScale's technology could play a vital role in shaping the energy infrastructure of the future. Well, that concludes our list of stocks to buy before November with massive growth potential. We looked at SoundHound AI, a leader in conversational artificial intelligence, AST SpaceMobile, a company revolutionizing global connectivity with space-based cellular broadband, and NuScale Power, the pioneer in small modular reactor nuclear technology. Each of these companies is backed by solid fundamentals, transformative technology, and strong support from Wall Street analysts with bullish price targets. These are the types of stocks that could deliver outsized returns in the coming months and years for investors willing to take an early position. If you're serious about building wealth in the stock market, keep these names on your radar, do your own due diligence, and always remember to stay updated. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks that could change your financial future.